Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Xbox app not opening or launching on Windows 11 or Windows 10. So firstly, you have to go to search bar and write here CMD, and you can see the command prompt here. You have to choose this run as administrator. Click on this, click on yes. Now you have to choose the command what you'll find in the description below. If you look for the description, you can find these comments. You have just to copy and paste it here. Okay, you can see the percentage has been started and it may take some time, so we have to hold on and go to the next step. We can minimize it and go to the next step. The next step is we have to go Microsoft Store or MS Store. Hit open. So after opening this Microsoft Store, you'll find here this human icon or your profile icon. Click on this profile icon and then you have to sign out from here. You have to sign out, then also give your password and email, then sign in here. After sign in, check back that your issues has been fixed or not. If still the issue, if it's not fixed yet, then you have to go to the next step. The next step is you have to go adjust time and sync now. So you have to click on this time, right click on this time, and you'll find here adjust time. You can see the set the time automatically, which is turned on. You must turn this on. If you find this turn this off, you have to turn this on again. After turn this on, you have to click on sync now. Just click on sync now, then you'll find region. Go to region and choose the exact country. If you are using India, you have to select India. If you're using UK, then you have to select UK. Okay, so choose the exact country name here. Then you have to choose the region format. Which region you see? I'm choosing this one. You can choose also. So go to the language section now. In language section, you can see that English, United Kingdom, that is normal. You can uh, if you find any other than this, you have to choose this one. Okay, now go to the next step. The next step is you have to find here troubleshoot settings. Choose additional troubleshooters, this one. Click on this and scroll down, then you'll find here Windows App Store. Just one click and then you'll find here run the troubleshooter. Troubleshoot this by clicking on this. It will take some seconds, so hold on. It may take 2 to 5 minutes, so you have to hold on. So after completing this, click on next and it will diagnose again. Then it will see you something, if something wrong or if it's already okay. Click on next, close, and go to the next option. The next step is you have to open up the WR reset. Go here and write WS reset. Hit enter now and see that your Microsoft Store coming or not. You can see that Microsoft Store is coming. That's mean you are okay. Now you can check back your Xbox and see that if it's working or not. If not working, then go to the next step. The next step is you have to click on this. You have to go to the search bar and write here store and right click on this and you'll find app settings. Click on app settings and you have to scroll down, then you'll find here reset option, repair and reset. Click on repair first. If you find this tick sign, that's mean it has been repaired. Now click on reset. Here if you find the tick sign, that's mean your reset has been complete. You can see the tick sign, right? Okay, now go to the next step. The next step is you have to go Xbox Xbox, right click and choose app settings. Scroll down and then you'll find here reset option. Click on reset, reset again. Okay, after reset complete, you have to go to the next option. Next option is you have to go PowerShell. So you have to go this search bar and write PowerShell. Choose Run as administrator. Click on this and click on yes. Give the permission. Then you have to put the command what you'll find in the description below. Okay, it is working now. You have to hold on till it's complete. I'll be right back when it's complete. Or you can just minimize it and let it work, and you can go to the next step. The next step is you have to go here, sorry, not here. You have to press Windows key and R key together, Windows plus R together. Then it will find the run, it will come up the run box. Then you have to write here percentage app local app data percentage. Now hit OK. Now you have to find here packages, which is in P section. This one, packages, double click on this, and Microsoft Windows Store. You have to find Microsoft Windows Store. You have to find this one, Microsoft.windows.store under key W8WKYB3B D8BBE. Okay, make sure you're finding this one and double click on this. Sorry, no need to double click. Just find this one and you have to right click and you have to delete this. Okay, after deleting this one, you can you have to just restart your computer. After restart, check back that your problem has been fixed or not. If still the issue, then go to the next step. The next step is you have to go here and write check for updates. And if you find any updates here, you have to update the computer. Okay, if anything suggesting for update, you have to update it. So after update, check that your problem has been fixed or not. If not fixed, go to the next step. The next step is again you have to go PowerShell, and then you have to give the second command, or go again the PowerShell, choose Run as administrator, click on yes. You have to re-register your Xbox. So how you can do this? Double click. You have to find the description, then you'll find this command. Just copy and paste it here. And now copy the second command, just copy and paste it. Okay, you are all done. Now go to the next step. The next step is you have to go to services, click on open. Now you have to find Xbox accessory and management services, which is in X section. This one, double click on this and make sure that the service status should be automatic and the service status should be running. The startup should be automatic and service status should be running. Click on apply, then click on OK. Then click on Xbox Live Auth Manager. The service status should be automatic and then service status should be running. Sorry, the startup type should be automatic and service status should be running. Click on apply, then click on OK. Double click on this. Startup again automatic and the service status should be running. Click on apply, then click on OK. Then go to the last step, Xbox Live Game Save. Double click and make sure the startup type should be automatic and service status should be running. Click on OK. You can cross this one and go to the next step and the last step. If nothing works, then you can use this step, which is you can go back to your past when your computer was good and Xbox was supported. So how you can do that? You have to click on this RSTRUI and click on open. Now choose a different store point, click on this, click on next. Now choose the latest date and time what when your computer was good and the Xbox was supported. Okay, so after that you have to click on next and install that. Okay, so after that you have to restart your computer and check back that I'm sure this time your issues will be fixed. Now if nothing works, then you can choose this restore point. Okay, so guys, this is how you can do this, but you have to check the cmd file again, and you can see this the second option, which you'll find in the description below. It will take some seconds, so hold on, I'll be right back when it's complete. So just you have to wait till it's 100%, that's it. Then you have to restart your computer. So guys, this is how you can do this. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.